ready with me using some awesome drugstore products that I forgot I owned. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Welcome to my channel. I cover makeup, skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. As I was going through my inventory for best of the year ideas, I came across so many products that I bought anywhere from a year ago to 3 or 4 years ago that I just completely forgot that I owned. When I first bought them, I used them a lot. I raved about them. And anyway, I'm rediscovering them today. My foundation, my eyes, my lips, my cheeks, everything. Products I just sort of forgot I had. And all of these, not only are they drugstore products, they are from cruelty-free brands, and I did not use my two favorite brands. My two favorite brands, NYX and e.l.f., that I do lots and lots of videos on. I left them out. Just some of the other drugstore brands that I've done videos on that I've bought products from over the past 3 years. So anyway, here goes. Okay, now the first thing I'm using today is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. And this is called the Blowout Cannabis Sativa Face Primer. This is part of a collection they came out with a few years ago featuring cannabis. And I remember using this a lot during the first week or two I bought it, and then I got other things. Put it aside, and I think it's been over a year since I've used this. So let's get it on. And it does have a nice, slightly sticky gel feel to it. And for my foundation, number 7. I love this skincare. I tried that foundation maybe a year and a half ago. Really liked it. Used it for a couple of weeks. Got something new. Stopped using it. So anyway, I'm using it again today. This is Restore and Renew Serum Foundation, and it has an SPF of 20. And I put it, like putting it on my hand first, it's less likely to spill over to my clothes. Now, I think I got this in the summer because it's a little darker than my skin is at this time of year. So, but anyway, it should blend in well and give me a little color too. Now, these brands I'm using today, these drugstore brands, I believe they are all cruelty-free. And that is something really important to me. I tend to not use some of the larger brands like Maybelline and Revlon and L'Oreal because, to my best knowledge, they still test on animals. I like this a lot. It's very spreadable, very wearable. I remember it lasted really throughout the day last time I wore it, and it has lots of great nutrients and serums mixed in. Now for my under eye area, I'm using 2 products from Catrice. Now this under eye brightener I've used quite a bit lately. This is not something I forgot about, but it's one of the best products I found last year. The concealer is one I got probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. Used it again for a couple of weeks, then put it aside when I found something new. And now take this liquid camouflage concealer. Just use my concealer brush to kind of blend this in. I'll also put a little bit under the brows as well. Now on my brows, I'm going to start with Revolutions. And this is just called I don't see a name on it, but it's the shade light brown. And it's just a fine point brow pencil. I'm just going to fill in with this. Now I'm taking this by ColourPop And this is just a brow gel. And it has a slight tint to it, so I'm going to use this to hold everything into place. Okay, so brows are done. And for my eye makeup, I'm going with ColourPop. This is the Aura and Out palette. I got this 2 to 3 years ago. Used it for about a month or two regularly, then kind of put it in a drawer and let it sit. And this is the cream gel liner, which I haven't used lately. I did use it in a video maybe about 4 or 5 months ago when I was just comparing gel liners, and that's when I kind of remembered how much I liked this one. So let's start with the liner. Okay, now on with the palette. This is just a lot of soft, pretty shades. So today I'm going to keep it kind of basic and just go with these 2 colors. But I'm going to be digging in this palette more often. So let's start with just this called Solar Hour. And I like this one. A lot of the new ColourPop palettes, most of them do not have mirrors. This one has a nice little mirror. It is still available on the ColourPop website. Might be hard to find in stores. And then I'm going to just add this shimmer on top of it. This is called You're a Vision. So there we go. And it comes on really just a little bit of shine to it. Kind of a neutral color. Goes with everything. And there we go. Just a soft, quick, easy eye look. And now I'm going to top it off with a Big Lash Reloaded from Revolution. Hoping this is still good. I only used it a few times. I got it, I liked it, then got something new. You know the story. Okay, so let's take this. And yeah, it does really there we go. Now for my blush, this is called Love Struck, and it's from J-Cat Beauty. And notice it has a little cat imprinted on it. Maybe I stopped using it because I didn't want to mess up the cat, but anyway, I'm going to use it today. Here's my blush brush, and just, it's just a nice quality, pretty shade of pink. And just dusting it all up on my cheekbones. Give me a nice glow. And I'm going to top it off with this Flower Beauty highlighter. This is the brand owned by Drew Barrymore. It's primarily available, I think, at Kroger stores. So I really liked this. In my videos from about 2 to 3 years ago, I was using this constantly. Haven't used it much lately. But I'm just going to take this middle gold shade and add a little bit of glow. I'm also rediscovering ColourPop favorites on my lips. This is the pencil, and it's just a lippy pencil, and the shade is BFF2. Let's just start it off with this. But it goes on very smoothly. Now I'm going to use this one, the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip. Yeah, I remember I really liked this when I first got it. And this shade is called Starling. I am not sure if all these shades are still available. I think this line is still available. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Champagne. I'm just going to use this to top it off. I remember this, yeah, it's a little brush. And these three shades work together really well. Okay, now this is the final look for today. Using products I basically forgot I had. All drugstore products, cruelty-free brands. Check some of these out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.